For our second game, it's yes, the drama OST title. Parang mahulaan nyo kaya ito. So basically, we will be playing just a few seconds of the song. And what you have to guess, dalawa. You have to guess the drama and the character name of Kim Ji-won. So if you just choose the drama, if you just choose the character name, wrong. Kailangan pareho both. Ready na ba kayo? Very hard, because of course. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you guys ready? Yes. So, I hope that you guys listen well. Dun sa music natin, we're gonna play it in a bit. Let's proceed with our... Yes. Okay, so ang magsasabi kung tama yung napanalunan ng fan, nahula ng fan is Kim Ji-won. So Kim Ji-won will decide if you got it correct or not. Para naman walang sisihan. O sabi nyo, ay tama naman. Siya nung sabi. Alright, so let's proceed to our first song. Drama name and title of the character name, ha? Drama and...
태양의 후예 윤명주 사랑해!
Correct! Is that correct?
맞습니다. 태양의 윤명주.
Tama po.
Ayan! Congratulations, girl! Tama. Guys, okay lang naman sabi nyo. Pero baka kasi naririnig ni Ji-won sa in-ear. So, kalmahan lang natin kasi parang, ganun siya na. Alright. No problem sa akin, pero baka lang sa ating artist eh. Medyo malakas siya. So, thank you very much and congratulations. Congratulations. Now, let's proceed to our next song.
근데 이거 그 드라마랑 역할 이름만 맞추시는 거면 노래 제목까지도 맞추셔야 돼요.
Actually, hindi lang yung character tsaka yung title ng drama ang kailangan yung hulaan, pati din yung kanta, yung song title din.
Okay, so drama, song,
Title.
drama title, song title, character ng...
그렇게 해서 맞추시는 거예요? 아니면 드라마랑 역할 이름만 맞추시면 돼요?
Ano ba dapat? Di ba, yes po, dapat po the title of the song and the title of the drama.
Drama, according sa director, drama name and
Song
character
title.
name.
No, song title.
역할 이름. 드라마 제목 역할 이름만. 저만 혼자 지금 이해 못하고 있었네.
So actually, drama and tama, yung character lang sa drama lang pala. So
Yeah.
tama kayo.
Yes.
So we go for the title of the song and the drama, and the name ng character na pinaportray ko doon sa drama na yun.
Title ng drama, be. Not the song. Title of the drama
And the character.
yes, not the song. Alright. Are you ready? Is everything clear?
Yeah, kasi nakalagay dito sa OST.
Let's proceed to our next song. Okay, second floor. Good luck. Okay, nag-request second floor. May nakita akong nakatayo doon. Yung naka-orange.
Ayun, sir.
Naka-orange. Dito sa, ano ba to? Lodge ba to? Yung medyo nasa harapan. Ayan, si ate, naka-face mask. Naka-face mask ka ba? Yes, correct. That one. O, punta mo na sila. Lumapit ka ng very, very light. Yes, yes. Let's go. Pwede ka rin lumapit sa kanila para naman hindi kayo hinihintay. Try din natin ng medyo gumalaw ng very light. Try natin. So habang hinihintay natin, umakit sa second floor at takbuhin ng mga staff. Yan na, nakarating na. Okay, what is the answer?
Hong Hae-in and Queen of Tears.
Is it
Answer is right.
Yes! Congratulations! Ikaw din ay nagwagi official merchandise. Malakpakan naman natin guys yung mga sumali. And of course, Kim Ji won as well. Honestly, did you know all of the answers in the questions?
사실 시간이 좀 걸렸는데요. 팬분들보다 좀 늦게 알았던 것 같아요.
Sa totoo lang, it took me some time to get it, pero parang mas madali yung mga fans, mas mabilis kayo sumagot kay sa akin.
Yes, yes. Now, palakpakan natin guys si Jiwon for drawing for us, for answering her question sa kanyang profile. And once again,